Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $30 welcome Forex bonus. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A Forex broker's welcome bonus is a promotional offering extended to new traders which is designed to incentivize and welcome newcomers to the world of currency trading. Typically, the bonus is provided as a monetary reward or a percentage of the initial deposit made by the trader when opening an account with the broker. Traders can then use the welcome bonus to enhance their trading capital and potentially increase their trading opportunities. However, it's important to note that these bonuses often come with certain terms and conditions, including minimum trading volume requirements or withdrawal restrictions, which traders should carefully consider. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with a $30 welcome Forex bonus can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $30 welcome bonus. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is Tickmill. Tickmill is an award-winning ECN and STP broker that is regulated by multiple agencies and is available in more than 200 countries worldwide. As a Tickmill client, you will have access to a variety of trading tools and features, including auto chartist, my FX book, virtual private servers, and more. If you are new to Forex trading, you can learn to trade using the educational resources provided and use a demo account to practice on. With Tickmill, you can trade a wide variety of stocks, shares, indices, metals, energies, bonds, CFDs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, and more. Tickmill offers an array of enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. From their welcome bonus promotion to various ongoing offers, Tickmill provides traders with valuable incentives and benefits. These promotions often include bonuses on deposits, cashback rewards, and trading competitions, giving traders opportunities to boost their trading capital and maximize their potential profits. Tickmill offers a variety of trading accounts, including a classic account, which features a minimum deposit of $100 and spreads from 1.6 pips. Their Pro account has a minimum deposit of $100 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Their VIP account includes a minimum deposit of $50,000 with spreads starting from 0.0 pips. Tickmill's demo account gives you access to all the account features and more than 80 tradable instruments. And their Islamic account offers a no dealing desk model with execution speeds of 0.2 seconds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the MetaTrader web trading platform. They also provide a wide variety of trading tools for all types of traders. Tickmill allows all social trading methods, enabling you to trade using MQL signals, auto trade, and even become a multi-account manager. As part of this commitment, Tickmill launched a project in collaboration with forexclub.pl, the leading Polish Forex education resource and one of the most successful professional money managers in Poland. This course helps new traders get started with social trading, a fast-growing trend in the Forex industry. Tickmill also provides a wide variety of educational resources, such as webinars, seminars, a variety of trading ebooks, a large repository of video educational content, infographics, and much more. If you are new to Forex trading, or you are looking for a copy trading friendly broker with a wide variety of trading tools, we highly recommend checking out Tickmill. If you are not ready to deposit any real money into your live trading account with this broker, you can try a demo account that will give you access to all the tools and features that real accounts have. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. HFM provides promotional offerings, which are a fantastic way for customers to enjoy exclusive benefits and savings. These promotions cover a wide range of products and services, making it easy for everyone to find something that suits their needs. Customers can explore a variety of bonus offerings, which include discounts, special deals, and rewards. Whether you're looking for discounts on your favorite products exclusive access to events, or bonus points for loyalty programs, HFM's promotional offerings have something for everyone. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. At number 2 on our list is XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM offers bonus offerings, which include generous deposit bonuses, cashback rewards, and loyalty programs. New traders can kickstart their trading journey with substantial welcome bonuses, allowing them to trade with more capital and increase their potential profits. Additionally, XM offers cashback rewards, ensuring that traders receive a portion of their trading costs back, regardless of the outcome of their trades. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $30 welcome bonus, we have JustMarkets. JustMarkets is a dynamic and innovative online trading platform providing traders with a cutting-edge environment to explore and engage in various financial markets. With a commitment to transparency and user-friendly features, JustMarkets has quickly become a preferred choice for traders seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. JustMarkets offers a diverse array of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. Their comprehensive selection encompasses a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. JustMarkets is committed to providing added value to its users, whether it's bonus incentives, reduced fees, or exclusive rewards. Their promotions are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with unique advantages in the financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 with social trading tools. Their accounts are available on Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, Raw Spread, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. These account types are designed to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of its users, whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor. JustMarkets has an account option that suits you, from demo accounts for those looking to practice their trading strategies risk-free, to standard accounts with access to a wide variety of trading instruments, and premium accounts with enhanced features and benefits. JustMarkets is not just a trading platform, it is also a valuable educational resource hub. They provide a wealth of educational material designed to empower traders and investors at every skill level. From comprehensive tutorials and webinars to insightful articles and video content, JustMarkets offers a wide range of resources to enhance your understanding of the financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of trading or refining your advanced strategies, these educational tools provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $30 welcome bonus on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.